welcome in the world of fashion. I've before you another round of Miss Goa 2011. In this round, the models were seen wearing different colors which are in vogue for the current period. Watch carefully. You may choose one of the colors for an elegant dress for Christmas and New Year. Make it your favorite color for the year. Have a look. And now let's learn how to have a beautiful hairstyle, especially for the festive season. Christmas, you can go in for a very trendy hairstyle than to live with the old, usual and a boring look. So have a look and learn to set your hair.
This style, what we did is we cut this very short, okay, and even the back short into a graduation, and we left this long and all uneven part, and we left this front longer, and then we used color brown mahogany for his full hair, and we just added a little red for Christmassy with a little blonde because blonde suits him much better. So this is one streak of red what we have used into his hair, and then we just used wax and we spiked all this hair up. And if you want, you can wear the red down also, and if you want, you can really take it up, or we can really play with hair. So it all depends on how you style it. So you can style it in different manners. So if he wants to wear it down, or he wants to wear it up, he wants to go funky, or he wants to go sober, it will go on everything.